Uy, nandito ka ulit. Or kung bago ka lang rito, welcome. I am Zyrus and this is Project Gaia. Sa last vlog, sinabi ko kung bakit ko sinimulan ang advocacy na to. Pero ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo kung hanggang saan na tayo.
Since the last vlog, ang pinaka-focus ko ay ang paggawa ng website ng Project Gaia. Kasi isipin mo, madaling sabihin na protektahan natin ang kalikasan. Pero, paano kung hindi alam ng tao kung saan magsisimula? That's why I created a website that makes environmental information easier to understand. Aside from the website, gumawa rin ako ng iba't ibang visuals at content. Hindi lang para maging aesthetic, kundi para maging educational.
Ay, nakatulog?
3 hours later.
Anyways, habang ginagawa ko ang Project Gaia, may isang bagay akong na-realize.
Hindi pala mahirap gumawa ng advocacy. Mas mahirap magbasa ng advocacy.
Ang bilis nating mag-scroll. Kapag dance trend, like agad. Kapag funny, pinapanood. Pero kapag tungkol sa environment, scroll ulit. But that's exactly why this campaign matters. I learned that awareness isn't enough. People need stories. People need visuals. People need reasons to care.
I also realized, every time na bumibili ako ng tubig, parang hinuhusgan ko na rin ang aking sariling advocacy. I swear, cycle ko naman.
Most people spend hours every day on social media. Imagine, may isang taong matututong mag-segregate. May isang taong matututong mag-segregate ng basura. Kung bawat video, may isang batang mahihikayat magtanim ng puno. Kung bawat share, may isang pamilya na mababawasan ang paggamit ng single-use plastic. That's already change. This is exactly why I created Project Gaia. Hindi lang para magkaroon ng website, hindi lang para sa grades, kundi para magkaroon ng community. A place where learning about the environment becomes interesting.
Minsan, iniisip nating kailangan nating gumawa ng malaking bagay para makatulong sa ating kalikasan. Pero ang katotohanan, hindi.
Turning off unused lights, using tumblers, planting trees, those things matter.
So if you're watching this, I challenge you. Do one thing today for your future self and our planet. Because at the end of the day, we've only got one Earth, and it's the only home we've got.